Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple model in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. So let's start the drawing. First of all, see the drawing. Make the rectangle of diameter 25 and 50 mm both sides, and the distance between the circle are 250. So let's start. First of all, go to the file, select new part and OK, and change the background so to plain white, and select the top plane, sketch, then normal. First of all, select the center line and make it horizontal and vertical. So click horizontal and select vertical. It and select the center line and it will be vertical. Make the two circles first, and this center line to. So go to the smart dimension and the small circle will be 25 mm and outer circle will be 50 mm. So click 50 mm, then OK, and this inner circle will be same as 25 mm and this circle will be 50 mm, but the center distance between this point and this point will be 125. See, 250 divided by 2, so it will be 125. So simply go to the smart dimension and this point to this point will be 125, then OK, and this point to this point will be 125, then OK, and the center rectangle, the center circle will be 150. So let's make this 150 and go to the smart dimension and make it 150, then OK. Go to the line, make the line tangent to this circle. Again take line and make tangent to this circle. I think it is not tangent, so simply press the circle with shift key and this line and make it tangent, then OK, and we use mirror feature. So simply go to the mirror, select this line and this line and mirror about this line, then OK. Simply trim this line, so click and drag, simply click and drag, and this circle and this circle. It is over defined because we smart dimension both the sides, so delete this. OK, and exit the sketch. Go to the feature and extrude up to 25 mm. So go to extrude boss base and make it 25 mm, then OK. So again take this face, click right click, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 150 and extrude up to 150 minus 20, so it will be 150 minus 25, so it will be 125. Then take the circle this point and go to a smart dimension 150 and go to feature extrude boss base 125, then OK. Again from this surface extrude cut the circle of 123 to extrude cut to 20 mm. So simply select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 123. Go to a smart dimension and it will be 123, and go to the features extrude cut 20 mm, then OK. Again make the circle of 75 mm, but it is extruded through all from this surface, so simply select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 75 mm. So go to the smart dimension and make it 75 mm, then OK, and extrude cut through all. So simply go to the features extruded cut and blind will be through all, then OK. Again this model we extrude cut through all from this surface. Go to 30 mm and this point make the circle of 120 mm and extrude through all. So select the front plane, right click, sketch, then normal. Take the center line from this point 30 mm. So simply go to the smart dimension and it will be 30 mm, then OK. Again make the circle of 120 from this point. So go to the smart dimension and the circle will be 120, but we extrude through all from this mid plane. So simply go to the features and extruded cut through all both sides, then OK. It will be cut through all from the mid plane. Again we give the chamfer to both the corners. The chamfer will be 25. So go to the chamfer and make it 25 mm, then select this corner and this corner, then OK. If you want to apply the material to this part, so simply go to the appearance, select the metal and chrome, select the chromium plate and drag to this part. Then OK. I hope